If you are holding Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, there is something very important I need to share with you. This morning, we just got some CPI data, which is bullish and it's under expectations. So we had a small bullish reaction this morning. However, this CPI data shows that it's very likely for the Fed to cut rates 2 more times this year. Look at this. Bitcoin jumps on softer US inflation data, boosting rate cut bets. So it's possible now, and it's kind of likely, that there's going to be 2 more rate cuts this year, which is going to be extremely bullish. Rate cuts will likely trigger a strong, massive pump at least 1 more time this year, maybe twice. If we take a look at Bitcoin, we can see very clearly that Bitcoin has come up into the supply zone. We have rejected this level here, and we're also forming a head and shoulders pattern. This may or may not play out, but ultimately we are seeing a lot of resistance in this region. I am not a buyer here. In fact, I'm a seller. If we continue to reject this level, it's very likely that we are probably going to come back down to support. And we can assume that support is around 106,000 to 103,000. This is likely. And we've been taking a look at Bitcoin and we've noticed that things are quite bearish. Altcoins are quite bearish. And I am expecting another leg lower. Pumps like this provide exit liquidity and liquidity for whales to dump the price even further. So I would not be surprised if we even make another leg down, making another new low. If we do get another low, maybe 98,000, 92,000, I'm personally going to be interested in longs and buying spot. Until then, we are trapped in this tiny little range, bouncing back and forth, and we are so far rejecting this region. So I'm personally looking for this gray box, this region here for Bitcoin. On top of this, you could see that there's a lot of sellers on the heat maps above price in this region, all the way up to 114,000. When you see a lot of sells stacked up above price, that's usually an indication of strong resistance, and we are probably going to pull back. The fact that the market has pumped for the last couple of days, most likely in anticipation of CPI, it's kind of a buy the rumor, sell the news event. There's no new liquidity injecting into the markets. It's just liquidations, back and forth, speculation, and just choppy markets. So expect $106,000 to maybe $103,000 next. If you guys got anything out of this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and share this video on social media or with one friend or family member. I would greatly appreciate it. If you guys love these short, quick, get to the point videos.